Ah, what a beautiful day. Nothing could go wrong, right? Give me all your money. Wait, what was that sound? I go check it out? Wait, what the? I am out of here, goodbye. Hey, come back here. At least me money is still here. So you still coming after us? Yes, cause you just try and rob the ice cream man. Alright, you ask for it. Hold it. Step aside, let me talk to him, okay? So you must be Enforcer. Yes, and who are you? I am the Gunslinger from Tower Blitz and these are my bodyguards. Wait, what? Then why did they rob the ice cream man? Well, is because we were just holding guns in the public, and my mercenary accidentally shot on the floor and the ice cream man decided to call the police. I am giving you a chance, let us be free or we end your life right here. Sorry sir, but you are under arrest. Alright, you ask for it. Hey, I need some backup. You guys call more reinforcement, okay? Hello there, wait, what? Oh no. Great job guys, hey you there. We are not finished yet. Get them boys. Holy crap, the outside is literally chaos. Hey you there. Did you forget about me? Wait, what, Doom? Yes, boys, get him quick. That was pathetic. Hey, oh crap.